Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August 23rd, 2020, and we harvested some of the red of Florence onions out of the raised beds. Now, I grew these from seed, and I have videos on my channel for how I start my onions from seed. And this particular onion came from Tuscany, Italy. And it is a very rare, hard to find onion. It is one of the torpedo-shaped onions. And I chose this particular onion because I had read where it's really good for like making your spaghetti sauces and stuff. And it holds its flavor very well for cooking. Now this particular one here, we're going to be making homemade pizza tonight. So it's going on the pizza. We've been making like spaghetti sauces and pizza sauces and stuff. And we're going to be using our homemade pizza sauce tonight. So this is a long day onion, and because I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, for my particular growing zone, we need long day onions. So I'm looking forward to getting to try this onion, and we're going to get it cut here and see what the inside of it looks like. So we'll be right back. We're getting this cut here. Now this is a really juicy onion here from what we're seeing so far. Has a very strong fragrance to it. For the onions, my dad bit into one of these one day, and he thought it was a sweet onion, and it was definitely not a sweet onion. So it has a very pungent smell to it, and very strong. Now this particular onion is loaded with antioxidants, so looking forward to getting to try this. So we'll be back. So my dad decided to try this one again. And he said it does have a little bit of a sweet flavor to it, but it has a very strong onion flavor to it. So we went about 3 weeks without rain in the upper 90 degrees, close to 100, which is very unusual for where we're growing at. Now we did try and keep them watered some, but we didn't want to run our well dry, and they didn't get too much water. But when you get a hot, dry year like that, that can really change the flavor of your vegetables. It can make things spicier and hotter than what they would normally be. So that could account for how hot this onion tastes. Because in the book it says that it's supposed to be like a mild flavored sweet onion, but from what we're seeing this year, it's very hot and very spicy. So my dad mixed the peppers and onions with a little bit of olive oil, and he put them on the grill and grilled them a little bit. And we have our pepperonis out here. And at the end of the video then, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you what we think of this onion and how well it held its flavor here on the pizzas. So we're going to be assembling the pizzas here. So if you just want the review for the onions, you can go ahead and fast forward to the end of the video. So this is a brand new dough recipe that we're trying. Never tried it before, and this is our homemade pizza sauce. My dad came up with the recipe for this. So we left our dough rise, and it's done now. So we're going to see here how this tastes. So we like extra sauce on our pizzas, and this sauce was just made today. And we did try it earlier on a different type of pizza where it's like a bread type, and the bread was already made, and then you just put them in the oven with your sauce and all your toppings. We're doing about a half a cup of cheese here, and we'll see what it looks like now. We need more cheese for sure. We like a nice full pizza when we have pizzas, or we make them. So I'm going to start putting the other toppings on then. Okay, so we wound up putting about 1.5 cups of cheese on our pizzas here. Now, you can get the fresh grated cheese if you want. You can grate it yourself. We've never done that. I do know some people, though, who do that. And, well, it would have a different flavor. They have an outdoor pizza oven, a brick one that they had made. Toppings on here. So I'm dividing the peppers and onions here. I'm trying to. We're going to get another pepper here and just put that one on straight. Okay. And this is one of the lipstick peppers. That's another heirloom that we grow. So we're just going to put this one here on plain without grilling it. So I'm just going to put some of these on here. And this is a deep dish pizza. It's supposed to be like a pan pizza, so we'll see. This is a 9-inch cake pan here. So we needed a little bit more onion, so we cut up another red of Florence onion to put on the pizza here, and my eyes are watering from it because it's so strong. So my eyes are watering from this because of how strong that onion is, and it could be because of how dry it's been this year. So we're putting some pepperonis on here, and we're going to finish it off then with some olives. So the oven is ready. I'm going to top it off here with some Parmesan cheese. And it's time for them to go in the oven. So So the pizzas are done. We baked these at about 475 for 12 minutes. Now ovens will vary, so when your crust is golden brown, and we did temperature probe it to make sure it was done. And we're going to be having some root beer floats to top this off, and I will come back then and I'll give a review on how well the onions held their flavor. And one thing that we did learn with this dough recipe is that we didn't have to put it up quite as high as what we did, but it was the first time we ever made it, so we didn't know. So I will be back. So we had our pizza, and it was delicious. And the red of Florence onion, which is this one right here, held its flavor exceptionally well. Really had a nice flavor to it when we were eating it. And it's definitely going to be a keeper for us. We've made it already now in spaghetti sauces, and it holds its flavor very well. So I definitely recommend it for cooking. It worked very well for baking. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.